Hey, this is J1 from Larry Miller Used Car Supermarket in Sandy. We're going to show you how to come to the service department. We have a lot of people that pass our dealership. They don't know what entrance to go into, so we're going to start off here by passing Costco. Great deals on mayonnaise. If you need any bulk mayonnaise at Costco, there's a dealership up here on the left. The best way is to enter from the south side. Got a sweet little sign up here that says Parts and Service. Check that Jeep. All right, now you've entered into the lot. The hardest part about this is avoiding the potholes. So we have a few of those things in our lot here. We're going to get rid of them next month. I'm actually kind of missing a little bit between you and me. We've been around for a while. We've upsold a lot of alignments off of these potholes. So avoid those things. Pull in here where it says service entrance, big blue door. As you get close enough to kiss it, it'll automatically open up for you. Once it opens all the way up, we're gonna find out the hard way. Your ski rack doesn't love that. We're gonna come into the drive here. All the service advisors are on the left. Happy Ryan's there to greet us. And pull up as far as you can. Shut it off right there. We'll come out and meet you. The best thing about service videos, no cameo by Crystal required, and the free popcorn.
How are you?